Gks 2024 applicants embassy track guidelines for India has been announced today. To check the notice, you can go to the website. I have given the link in the description. So here is the Embassy of Republic of Korea to Republic of India page where they announced the 2024 embassy track guidelines. You can check it from here. This is the guidelines form and everything is given here. You can read it very carefully. The deadline for embassy track India is 29th of Feb, Thursday. So applicant must submit their application no later than 29th of Feb, Thursday 2024. They have also given the address where you have to send the application. Here is the address. If your application received after the deadline, they will not accept it, so you have to be very careful regarding the deadline, which is 29th of Feb. From here you can download the application guidelines in English. Here I have downloaded the guidelines which are similar to the guidelines that has been uploaded on Study in Korea website, but you can read it here too and read it very carefully. The guidelines are same because there's no. If you are applying for GK scholarship, you have to read guidelines many times, and most of your doubts and queries answer has been given in the guidelines. From here you can download the application form which is given in a document form, so you can download it and fill it properly. The form is not very complicated, it is very simple. If you are having any problem while filling the form, you can watch my previous year video how to fill form Gks-G 2023. From here you can download the university information. This is the university information zip file. You have to download it and extract the file in other folder where you can find all the information related to the universities. So that's it for today's video. Embassy track for India application guidelines has been announced today. If you are having any problem filling the form, you can comment down below. All the best for the application. See you in the next video. Bye bye.